Hi, today's video is going to be on the benefits of fiber and ways to introduce more fiber into your diet. So fiber has a range of possible health benefits, such as promoting weight loss, lowering blood sugar, fighting constipation, boosting heart health, feeding friendly gut bacteria, which I'll talk more about. Here are some of the ways that scientists classify fiber. And a lot of this information and other information I get on foods comes from healthline.com, where you can do further research yourself to find out foods that are beneficial for your body and the nutrients that are included in those foods. So dietary fiber is naturally present in the plants that we eat. Soluble fibers are water soluble and therefore digestible. Insoluble fibers are not digestible, but they do feed our friendly gut bacteria, which I'll talk more about. Soluble fibers come from the inside of plants and include substances such as pectin. They are present in fruits, vegetables, barley, and may help manage blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Insoluble fibers come from the outer skins of plants and pass straight through the digestive system. They can prevent constipation, and examples include bran, celery, whole grain seeds, and cabbage. So our guts used to be full of beneficial intestinal bacteria that munched on fiber. Now that our food is stripped, including fast food or the ultra-processed food that we get from the grocery store, the bacteria get hungry and they eat the Munson barrier off our intestinal cells. This is setting us up for inflammation and leaky gut syndrome. So these are some of the reasons to introduce more fiber into your diet and slowly shift from your current diet, which for Americans, it can be 60 to 70% ultra-processed and processed foods, to get that number down gradually, as quick as you can, but can be gradually get it down to 50, 40, 30% would be wonderful. So some of the benefits of fiber is reducing cholesterol, promoting healthy weight. High fiber foods like fruits and vegetables tend to be lower in calories. Fiber can also slow digestion, which helps you feel fuller for longer. So if you would take a fast food or ultra-processed food meal where you might eat 1,000 calories, a lot of times these foods are designed to melt in your mouth and quickly be absorbed. So before you know it, you've eaten 1,000 or more calories, and you still may feel hungry. And you might, if you're drinking a soda pop of some sort laden with sugar, then that could add a couple more 100 calories onto that amount. Versus eating a higher fiber type of meal, you might only eat 500 calories and you might feel fuller than if you've eaten 1,000 calories of the ultra-processed food. So that creates that satiation where you feel full and you don't need to eat any more food. And in some of my other videos, I'll talk about the new GLP-1 drug craze, which is basically injectable drugs for once a month. That can be anywhere from $1,000 to $1,300 or more to help curb the appetite and reduce the consumption of food, whereas you could use your own scientific methods to do that yourself and achieve the same goal for a lot less money, in addition to avoiding some of the negative health effects of those drugs. So I'll have a whole playlist at some point that goes over that topic. So also the benefits of fiber: preventing constipation, managing blood sugar. So the body takes longer to break down fiber foods, which means the glucose in those foods does not enter the bloodstream as quickly. This helps you maintain more consistent blood sugar levels. So as far as conditions like diabetes, 90% of which is type 2 diabetes, can actually be managed through a changing of your diet and food. Also, fiber foods can reduce cancer risk. So some of the fiber foods can be strawberries, avocados, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, bananas. These are all some of the ingredients that I use in my superfood protein fruit smoothie. Carrots, beans, popcorn, celery, almonds, chia seeds, and red cabbage. So again, these are some of the benefits of introducing higher fiber foods into your diet, and do your own research and make this a fun project to work on helping to make your life healthier. And again, I'll have more videos coming out on this subject. Thank you.